Hey guys, it's Neil Waterhouse. What would happen if your hard drive on your computer crashed right now? Or if your computer was stolen or was lost in a fire? What would you lose and how would it affect you? Do you have important work files? Do you have irreplaceable family photos? If you've ever had a hard drive crash or similar, you'll know that horrible feeling of, oh my God, what have I lost? Especially if you don't have a backup. Now, these days, many of us not just have our work and business information on our computers, but these days with digital photography, we can have tons of irreplaceable photos on there too. Over the last 35 years of owning computers, I've used a zillion different strategies to back up data, from cassette tapes, then to floppy disks, then to CD-ROM drives, then to DVD-ROM drives, then plug in portable external USB drives, USB sticks, and now today in the cloud. If anybody doesn't know what in the cloud means, the cloud is simply used as a metaphor for the internet. So the phrase the cloud means where different servers such as servers, storage and applications, programs, are delivered to your computers and devices through the internet. What this means is instead of backing up your computer by, say, plugging in an external hard drive, say through its USB port, your computer is backed up over the internet. The biggest benefit of backing up in the cloud is it's backed up to remote locations. So even if your house, God forbid, burns down and you lose your computer and all your backup sources, you still not lose your data. Before the cloud, I'd always have backups stored at different locations just in case. And this, of course, causes a multitude of other problems, including logistics and security. The other huge advantage of backing up in the cloud is it's fully automatic. Within in-cloud storage solutions like Google Drive, you can download the app onto your computer and automatically synchronize while you're working. You can also securely share folders and files with work colleagues, family members, and friends. The in-the-cloud storage solutions we use is Google Drive. There are tons of other backup solutions out there. I'm not saying Google Drive is the best, it's just the best. It's the option that we chose. Some of the other popular ones are Dropbox, OneDrive, Apple iCloud, Norton, and there really are a ton of other ones out there. The reason I chose Google is I wanted to make sure I go with someone who will definitely be around for a long time. If I've got my data on there, I don't want to find out in a couple of years I've got to go and change to someone else. So I'm hoping that, I'm thinking that Google should be around for quite a while. Like in the last quarter, Google made over $20 billion just from its search engine advertising business. So, Google's co-founder Larry Page, I don't think he'll need to sell his boat very soon. I don't think Executive Chairman Eric Schmidt will also need to sell his little dinghy very soon either. But even if he did, he can always use his wife's little 46-metre trailer sailor. So you're probably thinking, how much does a Google Drive cost? Well, the good news is, it's reasonable. For the first 15 gigabyte, it's completely free. Up to 100 gigabytes, it's $2 a month or $1.99 a month. That's a fair amount of data to try out for $2 a month. 1 terabyte is $10 a month or $9.99 a month, and then they have plans that go up from there. With Google Drive, it works just like a folder on your computer that you can drag and drop items onto your Google Drive folder, or you can simply save a document in the Google Drive folder. You can also open files in the Google folder. When you do this in the background, Google will be automatically uploading the file to the cloud. All your files in Google Drive are still on your computer in the Google Drive folder. It's just that there's a duplicate folder in the cloud. You can log into the Google Drive website anytime and see all your files there. And you can also open them up. So you can log on remotely from a remote computer using your name and password, and you can see all your files, and then you can download them and do whatever you like. You can also put Google Drive on any other computer, tablet or smartphone, and all your files will automatically synchronize. You can also use the Google Drive app to quickly copy files on and off smart devices, on your phones, tablets. You can also share folders, files, pictures, and videos with friends or work colleagues. You can also email massive files like video files to each other. So that's pretty much it for Google Drive. I'll put a link up, go and check it out, and I'll put a link up at the top of the screen or at the side of the screen. That's all for this week. No matter where you're watching this, whether it's on Facebook or on my YouTube channel or on my blog, neilwaterhouse.com, please scroll down, leave a comment. If you know someone who might find this video useful, please give me a share. Until next week, less more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.